Welcome everyone to a new episode related to Bitcoin's price analysis and technical details. As usual, it's Scrembo. I'm right here sharing with you more information related to the market situation, which is quite interesting today as we're looking for crossing the $2 trillion market cap with a volume which is very close to breaking out of $100 billion transactions. BTC sits slightly above $42,000 on a green day. Therefore, I'd like to look into the charts and discuss about the technical aspect as fast as possible. So here we are with a structure which I have to introduce you the context. We have a short-term golden pocket which is located at those levels that will act as a support. This is short-term of 41,400 up to 41,500. So there is a difference here for a short-term scalping where reaction could appear from the support side. On the other side, there is a significant uptrending channel under formation, which has a much stronger support line coming from the bottom of the structure right here, with a few confirmations, and then a great and ultimate, highly effective and accurate confirmation appearing over there as well. At the moment, it's located somewhere around 41,700. Which is a difference of 1.5% from the current situation. That does represent a force of buying pressure. One thing that I don't usually like is that whenever we form such gaps between the trending line and the price point, especially between the lows and the trending line that used to touch the lows, we're having the tendency to revisit them sooner or later, which is happening and has happened right there. On the other side, I do see a gap forming here as well with the current situation, which isn't that large just like the previous, and it has not passed enough time to discuss about the possible retouch. However, it's something to keep in mind while doing our research. There's also a uptrending channel resistance line because here we have entered in an uptrending channel, as you can see. The thing is, we just had a risky breakout, which I always call out to be problematic. When you're already uptrending, it is not necessarily to accelerate upwards and break out of the resistance. It is most likely much better for you to keep an organic and natural force of the trend, go along with that instead of accelerating and going above the resistance line. Meanwhile, you're already trending upwards. That does represent a lot of the risk involved, and especially if you're coming after a strong upside move, it's not that much at the moment in order to be afraid. It's just, until the top we have an 11% increase, but that's something significant for the short term. In terms of swing, it doesn't mean that we cannot touch the 44.45 easily, guys. Keep in mind that kind of a thing. So that used to be reacting as a support. Now it's going to be pretty difficult here to react as it looks like right now. There is a slight reaction in the wick of that candle, but that is not yet sufficient to present us any clear signs of domination. Although there is a previous significant trending line that I would call extremely important with all its confirmations back and forth from multiple standpoints. This is a trending line that is used to be advanced, which is utilized by people to make tons of money along the way. So here we are with it. It did perform very well, and things could be monetized from there. I mean, an entry is established here, especially after the reaction, and there is a 3.62% with day trading, which is a 10x leverage that represents 36% increase on the trade. On $100,000, that's a $36,000 profit out of a very, very simple trending line that has to be managed very well. So that's what we are, that's where we are, and this is the current situation contextually speaking for the day of 21st of April. I did put a video out yesterday as well about the current situation, and things have been looking very well, just like they did today, even though small retracements could happen, and they need to happen, just like we did here at 3%. If we do anything near to that, I mean 3% is gonna bring us down here to the level of support mixture. So unless we have some external bad news coming out that could trigger a bigger sell-off, we are pretty much in a good position. Therefore, feel free to consider looking after the other updates and videos as well related to the channel. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I'd like to share with you, because many of you have asked if there is any form of education related to my trading skills, where we have this one-on-one coaching since 2017. It's directly with me at scrembocoaching.com, where I'm explaining how it works. This is a one-on-one running on Zoom conversations between 5 to 6 weeks. Usually, it's at least 4 weeks, but we're having 10 conversations directly with me, where I'm teaching you from A to Z how to become a professional trader. So it's not just about strategies or indicators. It is a lot about the mental side, continuing towards all the pieces of the puzzle that are necessary to be built in order to perform. Feel free to register now, and I'll get back to you with the offer on your email. As well, for those of you looking to join my commission trading, which is trading through API, there's no need to have any upfront cost. This is just commission out of the pure profit. We're performing trading for you through API, and on the right side you will be able to see how it works, and then on the left side we have my trading performance since September 2017, which has been documented. Bottom right corner you can join. As well, the link for this specific page is scrembocoaching.com/today. Actually, all the links can be discovered in the description area or in the comments area right below the video. Make sure to utilize the official links, and never ever try to reach out to people utilizing my name or my brand in order to ask money in a scam way. So feel free to keep in touch. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon.